Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Banking and Crypto Guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download Paybis wallet application for your iPhone. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. If you want to download Paybis wallet application for your iPhone, first make sure that you are connected to an internet. Turn on your Wi-Fi or your cellular data and once connected, tap open your App Store. Go to the search button at the bottom right hand corner and give it a tap. In the search box appearing at the top, type in Paybis, Paybis, and tap search. Once you find this application right here, tap on the download button beneath or right beside the application and your download should begin on your iPhone. With your Paybis wallet downloaded on your mobile device, you can buy and sell 9 different cryptocurrencies including Neo, Ripple, Litecoin, Bitcoin, and much more. It also provides a wide variety of banking options such as bank transfer, Skrill, and credit or debit cards. Once you download the application, you'll be able to see an open button popping up right beneath the app. Give it a tap and you'll be able to download Paybis wallet application for your iPhone. Pretty simple, isn't it? I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.